Most people will never own an apartment building. Not because they can't, but because they stay stuck thinking too small. They chase single-family rentals, one deal at a time. While small apartment investors scale faster, build income, and control larger assets. The difference? They understand the numbers. They understand financing. And they know how to find real deals. That's what this channel is about. We break down small apartment investing, 5 to 50 units, using real examples. How to analyze deals with NOI and cash flow. How to finance apartment buildings without millions. How to increase value and scale faster. And how to avoid the mistakes that stop most investors. No hype, no theory, just how deals actually get done. If you're serious about building income through small apartments, subscribe now. And when you're ready to take the next step, go to smalapartmentinvestors.com and start building your first or next deal.